Hello guys, this video is dedicated to the second coursework of the Business Intelligence Systems module. Specifically, this is a compact presentation of online shop data analysis. By the end of the video, you will know the description of a data set of the business based on which the data warehouse analysis services and data analytics were constructed. Then, based on created visualizations, some research findings will be provided. Finally, by concluding the presentation, some recommendations that can boost the business will be provided. Okay, let's get started. Our business is an online shop, super shop. The data contains information on their orders from 2015 to 2018. Also, basic information on customer, shipping and sales were obtained. Regarding the operation area, the online shop works only in US and covers almost all states. Without describing the process of main data pipeline construction, including data warehouse construction, data mining, and analysis services construction, still you can check all of that on my GitHub. Let's see the findings. This graph represents the revenue generated by different segments in different regions. Our research reveals significant local differences across consumer segments, but minor changes in segment partition. The consumer segment is our top revenue source across the board. However, revenues from client companies tend to exceed those from home office clients, except in the south, where the home office is showing greater popularity. This suggests regional uniqueness that we want to be able to exploit. But still we're not sure about segment growth trend, and the following chart reveals it. Over time, we have seen the landscape change. While revenue in the consumer segment is decreasing, both the enterprise, in our case it's corporate, and home office segments are increasing, with the home office showing particular strong growth. This trend indicates potential change results in the needs and wants of our market. The change in customer segment may result into a change in the average basket of customers as well as average item cost. This news will be discussed a little bit later. This line graph clearly demonstrates not only a general revenue trend, but also shows us some patterns. Generally, the revenues increased by multiple times during the 3 years of their period. However, drilling down the trend to quarters shows us that the increase is not stable. In terms of time, fourth quarter stands out as our strong period due to the holiday season, while first quarter continues to underperform. This pattern highlights the impact of consumer buying behavior on our sales cycle and highlights opportunities for strategic planning in inventory and marketing. Interestingly, our average cost per item sold has fluctuated over the years, showing a general decline from 2015 to 2018. This suggests a shift towards selling lower cost items or perhaps a strategic reduction in cost affecting our pricing strategy and merchant analysis. As you can see, in 2015 it was $245 that resulted to $221 in 2018. Talking about inconsistency, it's also important to review the impact of states on the revenue, and this chart clearly shows it. Our sales are heavily concentrated in California, New York, and Texas, leaving much potential untapped in other states. The concentration points to our strengths and areas of geographic expansion to capture new markets. But basically, the chart indicates that the business couldn't do well in major states. If there were data regarding a marketing campaign, checking the effort to different states would be useful. It's predicted that the major states may be the ones who got the most effort. But what about the subcategories? What is there is a variety of them, and to what extent they are profitable? In terms of product categories, chairs, phones, and tablets lead in revenue, while art, envelopes, and labels show lower sales. The disparity suggests room for diversification and the potential to explore and expand into less saturated markets. These were the main findings related to the business. Based on them, some recommendations can be applied. First recommendation is about targeting home offices. Targeting the home office segment. With it, we can launch targeted marketing campaigns, including, for instance, home office essentials, ergonomic designs, maybe convenient delivery options, and other stuff in order to expand this segment. For that, we can use data analytics to tailor different promotions and product recommendations. The second recommendation can be using off-season promotion. For instance, we can create strategic promotions for the first quarter to offset post-holiday sales slumps, such as loyalty rewards, cash early discounts for the next holiday season, and, for instance, inclusive promotional deals. Another recommendation is expanding geographic reach because we can identify untapped markets in underrepresented countries through market research, then connect these areas in local marketing efforts. Another recommendation is diversifying with high margin products. We can introduce high margin products that complement existing bestsellers, test market response with limited releases and other stuff. And basically, we need to focus on quality and exclusivity to attract and retain our customers. Final one, basically, that was all considered regarding the recommendations. All things considered, diversifying our product range to include more cost-effective products provides an opportunity to increase profitability without increasing sales. This includes identifying products that not only have superior value but also align with our brand and customer expectations. A focus on quality, exclusivity, and value will be key to attract new and existing customers. Using a test market approach to these measures can help us to attract customer interest and tailor our offering based on different feedbacks. Basically, that was all. I hope you liked it and have a nice day. Bye.